so beautiful.
Are you talking about me?
There's red, of course.
Right there.
Yeah.
Come back.
Hey, there you go. There you go.
Louder.
That did not sound like a dolphin.
Hey, Yara. Hello, dolphins.
They're just chilling, eh?
Yeah. You're just taking it slowly. Look at that one. Holy shit.
Look at all the marks on it. Oh my gosh, it's right there. What the heck? So cool. That looks like a sea.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I think they're coming.
Oh my gosh, he's right there. That's so cool.
Where is it?
They're freaking huge. You can see them right here.
All of them.
Two of them.
Oh, the other one's coming.
He's right there.
Oh. Wow.
That's so cool.
Hey. Wow, that's huge. You can ride on it. You know? Like, you know, the Aquaman. Like the Aquaman or Avatar. So cool.
Yeah, he has, like, that's been a propeller or something that's hit him, eh?
Yeah. So good. Hey, they're two now. Well, it's my first time seeing like this. Oh
Yeah?
no, I'm scared as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, scared.
Got a little one.
Just chilling in here. Look at that one here. Bro, it's so cool. You just look at me. How what's up, bro? Hello.
Those dolphins there.
You just so love
Yo,
it.
dude, yo!
Yee.
Whoa, hey, buddy!
Look at it.
Yeah! They're right in the back. Yeah!
But he is, he's totally second. No?
Yeah, they're not even swimming. They're so big! Yo!
Yes, huge chick.
Look at those legs staring very hard.
Oh my goodness. You just love it. Oh, sorry. You get that.
So we got the picture going, so I'll change the channel.
Yoo-hoo.